So today we are going to see if Gate.io will be next FTX. So today there was small FUD, and today we are going to cover all of this just to see if your funds or Gate.io are safe or not. Of course, this is not financial advice. I always recommend you to keep your money in cold wallet and never on exchange. So today Lux on Chain said that they analyzed Gate.io's 4 wallets on Ethereum and found that Gate.io has only 479 million in assets. Really important to say is that they analyzed wallets only on Ethereum chain and no other chains, so keep that in mind. And over here they are saying that Gate.io holds 71 million of Gate token, which is $259 million, and 3.1 trillion of Shiba token, which is 29 million, which add up to 61% of total assets. And over here on this picture you can see that they hold 54% of Gate token and 5.98% of Shiba token, which is all together around 61%. Of course, those are 4 wallets which they mention, and here they are saying that Gate.io holds only 53.9 thousand Ethereum, which is $59 million, and 32 million of USDT, which add up to only 21% of total assets. And like I showed you in picture, USDT 6% and Ethereum 14.3%. After that they are saying that Gate.io received 320,000 Ethereum from crypto.com on October 21st and transferred a total of 284 Ethereum to crypto.com from October 25 to October 30th. So over here I know that there was a lot of FUD because of this. A lot of people were thinking that basically crypto.com sent them Ethereum so they could make proof of reserve, which a lot of exchanges are pushed to do right now, but apparently it was not the case. It was wrong transaction, hard to believe, but apparently they sent it to wrong address and they just gave it back, and apparently their proof of reserve was before they received those 320,000 Ether. So then, like 30 minutes after we saw those tweets, Gate.io responded. They never said that they responded to them, but it was really fast, so I believe it was because of Lux on Chain tweets, and they are saying regarding to recent misinformation and fab about Gate.io provides 100% proof of reserves and has completed our first audit in 2020 and second in 19/10/2022 with Armanino, and that list of assets analyzed on the web captures only portion of our assets. Of course, they're probably thinking about their Ethereum chain, and also they didn't mention their 5th wallet. It's over here, I already checked it. It has everything what they said, but this is one of our cold wallets which alone has 140,000 Ethereum and 200 million worth of tokens. So if we go on that address, you can see they holding 140,000 Ethereum, and in tokens their whole value is 206 million. So over here they are saying that this is one of our cold wallets, which probably means that they have way more, but of course it's not confirmed. And then Lux on Chain said that they update Gate.io assets on Ethereum after Gate.io provided their cold wallet, and now they're saying that their 5 wallets hold total of 826 million in assets. And over here what is including. So this is previous picture because they showed 5th wallet with 479 million, and this is their second picture with 5th wallet where they're holding 826,000. So I guess assets are alright. This 320,000 Ethereum which they received from crypto.com, they received it on October 21st, and over here they are saying that they did proof of the reserves 2 days before, so I guess that's fine as well. And there is even CZ from Binance who said if an exchange have to move large amounts of crypto before or after they demonstrate their wallet addresses, it's clear sign of problems. Stay away, stay safe. So I'm really not sure what to think. Only thing what we can see from everything over here is that they covered every single FUD we had about them, and pretty much most important thing is no matter if they are safe or not, do not hold money on exchange. You can only lose. So not financial advice, like always. Gate seems to be alright, but don't hold money on it.